Okay. Oh man. Okay. Oh! What? 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 Wait, what? I've killed it? I've killed the devil? Alright. Oh my head, ouch. What the hell? Okay, I've killed the devil. Right. Unbelievable. Defeated by insects like you. Not once, but twice. Who are you? Ora! Yep. It's done. Now let's get out of here. Ha, 4 of them. It's finally over, isn't it? It was a long struggle, but with the Emperor gone, we've nothing left to fear. Thank you, with all my heart, I thank you. With the combined strength of Kashuan and Finn, we will build the kingdom anew. Together, princess, we will create a kingdom even fairer than the old. Though once a coward, I now stand here a new man. I have all of you to thank for that.
Those heroes of antiquity ne'er saw a cannonball, or knew the force of powder to slay their foes withal. But our brave boys do know it and banish all their fears. Sing a ta-ra-row and a row-row-row for the British remedy.